Generally, people misinterpret the word Maya. Our Bhagavad Pada is very clear what that Maya is. Is Maya true? He says no. Is Maya untrue? No. It can be either true or untrue. How can it be both? அதுதான் அனிர்வச்சனியம். Maya is something which is inexplicable. It is neither Sat, which means true, or Asat, which means totally false. Sat, Asat, Vilakshanamnu onu kondu vandar. And the entire edifice of his, how does this phenomenal existence appear when actually only Brahman is present, or only Brahman is, but I see all these dualities, etc., is built on the edifice of this wonderful, definition in line with Vedas as per Advaitis, in line with Brahma Sutra, in line with Bhagavad Gita, ellame, which Bhagavan says, Mama Maya Duratyaya. So he uses the word Maya as neither true nor untrue. It is somewhere in between. Why do you say that? As long as you are ignorant, you see only the world. The moment we become jnanis, the world is not seen. We see everything as Vasudeva Sarvamiti, or Sarvam Brahmamayam, or Anta Ramamayam, or Sarvam Vishnumayam Jagat. We say all this, na? So obviously I can't put an overall rule to everybody that the Maya is true for everybody. No. Maya is not true for a jnani. For a jnani, Maya is gone. Says Bhagavan, na? Mama Maya Tarantite, he says, na? So Maya is untrue for a jnani, and it is true for an ajnani. Still the person is an ajnani, it is true. The moment he becomes a jnani, it no longer becomes true. So across people, across time also, when a person becomes a jnani, there is no longer Maya acting on him. And so he says it's neither Sat nor Asat. Sat, Asat, Vilakshanam. That's what is called Maya or Mithya. Depending on the context, Mithya means always false, or Mithya can also mean somewhere in between. Our Swamiji once said that Madhusudana Saraswati Pada gave us 5 interpretations of Mithya. Okay, in his tremendously heavy book called Advaita Siddhi, which was an answer to a Dvaita person trying to annul an Advaita truth. So these keeps happening. So they say, this is my philosophy. Then Dvaitis will say you are wrong, and they write what is called as a Kandana book. Kandana means I am strongly objecting. And to object the objection, there will be another book. And to object the objection of the objector, there will be another book. Like that, it will keep on going. You see, there is no end to these discussions. How many years have passed? 1,000 years have passed now. For 1,000 years, there is still discussions going on, debates going on. And there is no consensus between these parties showing all the 3 mata will be anadi. All the 3 matas will be ananta. It will always be there. And that is the beauty, that is the depth of the divinity. You have to see that way. That Bhagavan Sri Krishna is even beyond the confines of such incredibly spiritual acharyas' philosophies also. And so if you want to realize Bhagavan Sri Krishna, either through one of these paths, his kripa, only we can realize.